Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all back here. I hope you're doing great and having a great start of this week. In this video, we'll talk about MATIC, which hasn't had the greatest start of the week. However, there's some strong support levels coming up, and overall, I am fairly optimistic on MATIC and Polygon. So we'll do a full update right here in this video. We'll take a look at the technicals. I'll talk about some fundamentals as well, because Polygon has actually been doing some things lately, so we'll talk about that as well and kind of the effect that has and just overall what to expect. But that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, I'm a full-time profitable trader, so if you want to receive signals, updates on that, and also explanation on the specific trades, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto MATIC. So what's been going on lately, which has kind of flown below the radar, is that Polygon has actually been developing some things, or at least there have been some, like with Polygon 2.0, they have been doing some things about the Polygon network architecture, and also on the also with the token, I believe, but I'm not too sure. I've not really seen that much about that. But usually news like this, usually it does give some bullish momentum. For now, I don't think we have seen that much, but just if we line up all of the fundamentals, so for example that Bitcoin is relatively bearish now, that we'll have the inflation rate, the ETF coming and stuff. Overall, I would say that adds up to Polygon fundamentally being relatively bullish. Now, if we talk about the technicals, you can also see that we are quite bullish. Like the market structure right now, if you would need to sum up the market over the last month, is something like this, right? So we have this bullish momentum that is driving up the price. You can see that. I mean, you can see it with the trend line, but you can also see it just in general that we're making higher lows right here. So we have that bullish momentum, and then apart from that, we've been stopped by that 70 cents level or around that level for the majority of the time for now. So the biggest test is actually coming up fairly quickly, and that's right here. That's this level right here between 67 cents and 66 cents. What you'll see is that that's a normal key level due to some Fibonacci levels, but that also made it a normal key level, and you have the trend line. So right now that Bitcoin is actually getting some bearish momentum, what will probably happen is that we'll drop down to that level. Now, what we would need to do from this level is first of all hold it. If we drop down below that level, we're in trouble. If we can hold that, and together with that also that Bitcoin can get some bullish momentum, what we can actually try to do is get a bullish breakout above 70 cents. I think initially we will not be able to break above 70 cents, but I do think if we touch that once and Bitcoin actually gets some bullish momentum, I actually do think that we'll be able to break above that and get up towards this level right here at 75 cents. But for now, as you can also see, that we're getting quite a lot of bearish momentum and all sorts of alerts are being set off. What we'll have to see first is if we can actually hold 66, 67 as a support. So we'll drop down there now. If for some reason we find support there and then drop down below that, then it's more likely that we'll drop down to 64 cents, we'll lose our bullish momentum, and we dive back down into a consolidation. So that's the main thing we're looking for right now. That's something we'll still have to see. I'll keep you updated on that. If you're interested in that, you can also keep yourself updated on that. I mean, frankly, it's quite easy to keep an eye on that and see what's going on. Like I said, we will probably find support there initially, but then it's about holding that afterwards, because initial support is not enough. We need to get support and then actually a bullish push to push us up to 70 cents. If that happens, I think we can also break above that. So yeah, that's my take on MATIC for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.